How to buy and sell Bitcoin on Robinhood app. In order to buy and sell Bitcoin on Robinhood app, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open the Robinhood application. Make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to verify your account. After you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page, which will look something like this. So here, what you could do is click on the trades icon from the center of the page, or else you could just go ahead and click on this crypto icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Then you could find a lot of options. You could see tradable and non-tradable. So you have to go to the tradable in order to buy. Now here you'll be able to find all options or the crypto that you wish to buy. You could also use the search bar tool feature in order to locate a specific cryptocurrency that you're looking for. For example, in this case, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. So all I need to do is click on the buy button. Next, I will be able to find these buy options. Since I do not have any sort of amount, so the buy feature isn't enabled. So I just need to make sure to verify as well as have enough money or amount, and then I'll be eligible to buy or sell Bitcoin. And similarly, if you want to sell, you could just go to the section of the Bitcoin and do the same thing. Just click on the sell button, enter in the credential, just follow the on-screen prompt that includes entering the amount and the recipient details, all sort of things, and you'll have successfully completed the steps. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.